Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. PlannerGirlMek here. We are working on the week of the 31st through the 6th, the first week of February. I know this video is late, please forgive me. I am still getting back into the flow of things. I use the Black History journaling page in my shop, and I also use Black History Volume 2. Most of the spread is used with this one. I also use this journaling page for a journal spread and I did do a video with that, and there I just zoomed in to show you that I added the florals for my bottom washi, and I have already had these cropped because I used them in a previous video. I am not using a quote-unquote planner kit for this spread. I wanted to show you all how you can use this journaling page along with some of the elements within Goodnotes to make a full spread. February's Plan With Me's are kind of full of that, as you will see in the next coming videos. I'm kind of playing around with different styles, different ways to decorate my page, not trying to make it the same because I don't know if I told you guys last year when I did the flip through of my planner, I do have a plan in my brain that is still trying to work out the kinks to print out my planner. I want this to be a memory keeper, something that will be here forever and ever and ever, that will live on, and people are like, I wonder what Meks was doing February 2nd, 2022. Let's look in the book. But that's just my goal. I don't know if I'll actually get around to printing it, but that's my goal. But you just saw me lay down the melanin dripping as my washi banner. Love that. And then I put the Black Queen, the most powerful piece in the game, up the top there. And I bordered it with some florals. And then I am just adding some bling from the Elements tab. And I got these from Canva. A lot of my elements that I use are from Canva. If I haven't saved them from a planner kit, I will try to do better at telling you guys where I get them from. But I will be using a lot from Canva. I tried to say I wasn't going to use them because I want you guys to be able to get them, but you can get them. Canva does have a free option, and I believe those are the free ones. They have a ton of great ones for free that you can use. You won't be able to download it with the transparent background, but you can always use the what's the name of that app? Lord Jesus, girl, my brain. Magic Eraser. There we go, it's working. You can use the Magic Eraser app to take the white background out to make it look transparent, and you're good to go. So even if with my PNG files, it has the white border, I believe you can put that in Magic Eraser if you want it to be fully transparent and go from there. But I just put up this beautiful fashion doll. Oh my goodness, she is amazing. She comes with two different headscarves, and I just absolutely love it. She is giving me Black Girl Magic vibes. I mean, yes ma'am, I went for it. And then I put the Black History Month with the African with Africa attached to it, and it just was absolutely beautiful. Now here what I did is I clicked on the shapes tool, which is right next to the highlighter tool, and then you can mark out a shape. And if you want to keep the border, that's fine. If you don't like the border around it, which I think I took mine off on every single one, just hit the backspace button or double tap with two fingers on your screen and it'll get rid of the border. And then I just went into the shapes tool and made sure that the handwriting was selected, and I copied it and put another one on top of it so it could be a little darker, and I used that as my boxes, and you will see me use that a lot. I did that in my journaling spread, and I believe I explained it in more detail, but I will be getting into that more in the coming spreads. I have planned out the entire month. The only one I did not film was week 2, and y'all are gonna be so mad at me because week 2 looks amazing, but I am going to kind of mimic week 2 and week 4. So when y'all see week 2, don't be like, wait a minute, where the video for that? I didn't record it. I told y'all I'm getting back into it. Okay. Here I use one of the emojis from my phone, and what I did, there's many different ways that you can save them. What I did was I text them to myself on my iPad, and then I took it from the message and I drag and drop it over into Goodnotes. And I just saved as much as I could. And I haven't gotten around to saving them in the Elements tab yet, but I will. But that's how I did that one. And here I'm just adding some more of the floral elements for there. I usually do like a double box feature in that spot, but I am putting the My History is Strong, and I don't think I zoom in on that, but there's like a girl where the eye is supposed to be for history. There's a girl, like a silhouette, and she's holding like a basket on top of her head. And then where the O is supposed to be for strong, it's Africa. I just absolutely love it. This is giving me all of the Black history vibes, and I want it at least the first week to be that way. And that's why I don't know, like, I don't know how I'm going to decorate my February monthly. I have not done it yet. I don't think I've ever done a Black History monthly. So I might do that and just not plan it, like do a video for it, because I don't know if that's like too much. But I don't know. We'll see. If you guys want a February monthly, let me know and I will definitely record that for you. And I think we're going to start to get into the day-to-day, because I'm basically, I'm using the box. This is the box that I use in the journal spread. I just saved it in my Elements tab, and then I just doubled it up. It's pretty, see, there we go. And I think I kind of, I was trying to be extra, so I like made a little off to the sides. And I just learned that you can like put, your corner, like my corners are really straight. You can kind of curve them to make them look like a rounded corner. There's so much you can do with this. It's absolutely amazing. I just love it. And I just spread those out to use as my full boxes. Next week, I actually use some full boxes from Pinterest. So get ready for that. It's going to be so much fun. It was my Valentine's spread, because I didn't record week 2, which was the 7th through the 13th. I didn't record that week, which I'm so mad. I actually just laid down the spread for that week because I was playing around with some templates, and oh my God, it's so cute. Excuse me. But yeah, I'm just going throughout and adding those florals. I just really wanted you guys to see that if you like running low on your coins, that's what this February is all about for me. If you're running low on your coins and you're like, man, I really want to plan, but I can't buy a sticker kit right now. Lord, y'all, there's so much you can do. I really get into that for Valentine's Day week, because I completely got my full boxes. I use pictures, and I use, look at that, so pretty. And I use photos from Pinterest. But look how cute this came out. This page is $3 in my shop right now. There's a 25% off sale. No, 20% off sale. But you know, by the time this goes up, her code will be expired. So I'm gonna probably switch things up a bit and do another sale for probably about 2 weeks. We'll see. Okay, so we're back on this, and it looks like I've filled in a bunch of stuff. On that first week on Monday, I had to order my daughter's birthday cake. I had some self-care time, reflecting, and because it's, it was a rough week for my family. And the second day, I think this is the day I ordered my daughter's birthday balloons. I also did some reading on Monday. And then later on that night when my daughter got out of school, I did her hair. I washed, blow dried, straightened, and braided her hair. Girl, let me tell you, honey, she got a lot of hair. She got a lot of hair, but she was turning 12 and she said, Mommy, I want my hair in braids, please. So I braided her hair and it is all hers. I don't know if I zoom in on the picture, maybe at the end of the video, but girl, I was tired. Like, she was so tired. The picture that's there at the bottom is her sleep. Like, she was asleep when I finished her hair, and she hasn't fallen asleep when I did her hair since she was a toddler. But no parts were ruined in the falling sleep of doing her hair. Her parts were still on point, okay? But yeah, there I'm just writing down that I ordered her balloons. And the font that I'm using is Autography. I do not remember who told me about this font. I think it was Lux Book Planners who told me about this font. If y'all aren't following her channel, girl, my next couple of spreads are heavily inspired by Lux Book Planners. I just absolutely love her style of planning. It's amazing. But there you just saw I put that I washed and braided her hair for her birthday. And then I'm going to flip the box here and add some floral. So yeah, you see that? That is all her hair. Every last strand is hers. Yes, my fingers was hurting. Yes, my back was hurting. Yes, I was tired. But it was worth it. To see the smile on her face, it was completely worth it. Y'all, I have a whole 12-year-old. Y'all, she'll be 13 next year. So if any of you are following me and you have been through the teenage phase with your daughters, tips, advice, comment down below. Help me out, because baby, I am not ready, because the preteen stage has me like, listen, not ready. I'm not ready. But there you can see all of the emojis that I saved from my phone. I just dragged and dropped them over. And that next day I relaxed and designed some journaling spreads. We were completely worn out from her birthday. I think I ordered her cake. This is the first time I actually ordered her cake. No, it's not the first time. I ordered her cake. I usually get a cake from my niece, but a lot happened that week. So we ordered her cake, and I made pizza. That's right. She wanted me to make her pizza. So I made her homemade pizza, and I pulled her out of school early that day. We went shopping. She went to TJ Meks. She went to Michael's and got some stickers, y'all. She's into planning and journaling now. So excited. She was actually supposed to help me do the voiceover for this, but I guess we'll do another one another day. But we also went to the mall and went to a few stores there, and then had lunch, and then we went home because I had to go pick up my son. Yeah, but it was a fun day. I love it because she's my firstborn. And every time on her birthday, she says Happy Mother's Day to me, and it's just like, don't you make me cry, okay? But she's like, why can't we celebrate you? I'm like, this is your day. They have a special day just, for moms. She said, but technically, Mommy, this is your Mother's Day. And I'm like, oh, baby, thank you. But this is all about you. She just has a big heart. So I was really excited that we got to spend some time together. And then her and her dad spent all of Saturday together. I was like, yes, y'all go. I'll stay home. Me and baby boy will stay home and relax. We'll have dinner ready when y'all get back. But it was cool. And then that Friday, my sisters and I created a sister group chat, and we just shared a bunch of memories about my sister. It was beautiful seeing all those pictures. Oh my goodness, y'all. Can I have my 16-year-old body back with the mindset of my 39-year-old self? Can we arrange that, God, please? I mean, I'm sorry if y'all hear me drinking. Y'all know when I talk a lot, my throat gets like really, really dry. Excuse me. But we are almost done, y'all. Hold on a second. Okay, y'all. I thought something was wrong with my recording. It's still recording, and it's just my brain not working properly. But yes, we are almost done. I'm putting the finishing touches. I'm using the date covers from a Mini Moments spread that I purchased last year, I think in November-ish. But I loved that spread so much. I use elements from it all the time. But this is basically it, y'all. I was going to pull over some separate numbers, but I went ahead and used the fonts that I had. I used the autography font, and I used it in like a goldish color. And there you see I have it all put in there. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some great ideas. If you have a week where you didn't have a planner kit for it and you just have a few elements from previous stickers, or you just want to just grab some stuff and throw it on there and see how it looks, you can do that and just make it look all beautiful. So if you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Leave me a heart to let me know that you were here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.